In this video, I'm going to show you how to change residential address in Exness. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And then to actually change your residential address, you have two options. First, if you go to settings here in the bottom left, you can see your profile. Click on profile. And then I'm not currently verified on this account. So as you can see, if you are not verified either and you haven't even ever put in the residential address, you'll have to basically complete these verification steps. So first you'll have to complete this part over here where you have to basically confirm email and phone number and then add the personal details. Then you're going to have to verify your identity. And then lastly, you're going to have to verify your residential address. Okay, so you can do this in case you've never done it before. But in case you have, the easiest way to actually update that or change it is by going to Support Hub over here. And then you can see your tickets and you can contact them. So if they are currently online like they are right now, what you can do is you can either start a live chat and start chatting to them. And eventually, of course, you can tell them that you want to change your residential address and they'll tell you exactly how to do it. You can call them on this number as well and they'll help you do it. Or you can just go over here, open a ticket if you don't want to talk right now. And then over here, you can just do whatever you want. So for example, you can do technical over here. And then if you can't see your problem, click on other and then continue. And you can just describe your issue, tell them you'd like to change your residential address. You can basically upload any of your documents that basically prove your residential address was changed or something like that. And then you want to just press continue and send in a ticket and they'll get back to you and you'll be able to change your residential address and they will help you with it as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.